right? So let's see first normal form, right? It is saying flat 5. What is mean by flat 5? What first normal forms think about, or what we are going to think in the first normal form, right? It is basically looking for the structural stability. Okay, structural stability, right? What is it expecting? Atomic value. Atomic value means what? Each cross section should have single value. We just had a discussion, if there are multiple values, what will happen? Accessing or modification will not be easy, right? So each cross section should have single value. That means what? This is our repeating group, right? For each one we should have the single record, right? So we can achieve it by adding the columns. We can achieve it by adding the columns. But if we achieve like that way, what will happen? There will be no structural stability because number of columns are varying. So what we will do? We will create the table, okay, having single column for each. Okay, having single column for each, and whatever number of items are going to be there, that many number of records we will be having. Okay, that many number of records we will be having. That means we are looking for a repeated group of columns. We are looking for repeated group of columns, right? So what will be our table? We will be having only this many columns, right? So we will be removing repeated group. Is it having a structural stability now? Okay, what we will do? Per record, that is what, for example, our order is 1 and one order is having 3 items, we will be having 3 records here. We will be having 3 records here. So what we said, we are having item 100, item 200 and item 300, something like that. The name is what? Pen, notebook and pencil, right? Then quantity we said something 10, 10 and so on, right? Order total is going to be repeated and this part is also going to be repeated, right? But now think, is it structural stable? Is it stable structure? If there are 10 items in the order, then also you are only increasing number of records. That means your select statement is now fixed. Select statement, list, select list is not changing. So that means structural stability came. So this type of a file structure is called as a flat file. This is what you will achieve by your C structure. If you are creating a C structure and the .dat file, that file will be a flat file. Or you are using COBOL or basics language are there, that will be a flat file structure. Okay, so this is what is the first normal form for us. So in the first normal form, we thought about repeated group of columns and we created single group for it, right? And we increased the number of records, right? Now each cross section will be having single value, so easily we can come to know what is the name and what is the item order and everything for it very easily. This much clear? Okay. Now what happened because of it? This is what is our first normal form. What is expected up to third normal form? So this cannot be final. What happened because of creation of the first normal form? Now most of the things, why we are keeping the data? For a searching purpose, right? That is the main thing, retrieval. That's why we learned select statement more, right? So how we retrieve? Whenever we are searching, we give a search criteria, right? We give a search criteria. Why we give a search criteria? So we can have the filtered records. Most of the time we want single record. Most of the time we want single record. So that's why we give a search criteria in such a way that it will give us a single record. Clear with it? So that search criteria may be having single column, may be having multiple columns. So if it is giving us a single record, it may be possible that search criteria can have the only based on the single column or multiple columns. That is what we call it as a key. Okay? But key not always will give us a single record. Like we are searching on the basis on the name. So my key can give multiple records also. But it is reducing. That is filtering the output. That's why that is called as a key attribute. Okay? Right? So we are having a key attribute. But if my key attribute is giving single record, if my key attribute is giving me single record, that key attribute or attributes are called as a candidate key. Called as a candidate key.